Let's cut to the chase, shall we? We all want glass skin, and I finally figured out the right regimen for you to achieve that glass skin. But hey, my name is Rika, and I'm a beauty and lifestyle journalist here at Beauty Insider. But before I get ahead of myself, click on the notification button so that you don't miss out on any beauty tips. Alright, let's start with the basics. It's really great to start off your skincare routine with double cleansing. Use a facial oil and a foam-based wash. And then after that, use a toner to remove any excess cleanser and to restore your skin's pH levels. And then comes the essence and the serum. Now, essence is lighter than serums in terms of consistency and the texture itself. So we start off with the lightest product first, which is essence. And then you go on with your serum. After that, apply your eye cream and then your sleeping mask. And it's highly recommended to start exfoliating your skin every once a week. You know, a lot of us are facing different kind of skin types and one regimen does not fit all. But again, like I said, use the steps that I mentioned just now as a guide rather than following it thoroughly because each skin is different. Like for example, if you have combination to oily skin, I highly recommend using products that are, acne, anti-acne based or even exfoliating toners because I did a mistake when I was experimenting with skincare and I have sensitive skin, so I bought an exfoliating toner. It irritated my skin so much and I started flaring up, so I learned my lesson. If you have oily skin, use exfoliating toners, but if you have sensitive skin, avoid that. And always remember to include a sheet mask in your skincare routine because this will help rehydrate your skin. And as for dry skin, always opt for products that are hydrating. Need I say more about the CosRx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence? To start using this technique called 7-layer of toners. And let me tell you, the hydration and the moisture levels that you implement it onto your skin if you have dry skin, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Now if you think that you have to pay so much for skincare products, expensive items doesn't always equal to effective outcome. So if you go to a drugstore, you can always look out for brands that are equally as great, like Pond's, Aveeno, Biore, and L'Oreal, and many more. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.